Well, that's all right. There's what you call a crotch shot. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing, the Bronco entertainment for the community. Also, restoring a 1974 Ford Bronco, keeping track of every dollar spent and every hour spent. In the end, hopefully, sell it and turn a profit. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check those videos out. But today, what we're working on the 75. So I've never had a back seat in my Bronco. I got 3 kids and they're always like, can you please get a back seat? The last Super Celebration, I was looking for a back seat, couldn't find one there. And my buddy Eric Wilkinson found this for me for 200 bucks in Michigan. Bought it and shipped it down to me. I obviously paid him back, but thank you, Eric. If you guys are in need of a new Bronco, Eric works at the Ford dealership, one of the Ford dealerships up in Michigan. And so if you're tired of dealing with your Ford dealership by you, and you want a Bronco guy who's gonna take care of you, give Eric a call. Eric, put your information down there. But today what we're doing, I'm gonna fall. Today what we're doing is restoring the back seats on this Bronco. So we're gonna completely remove all of this, paint the frame. We're gonna put new cushions, new wood, new hardware, new outsides, new insides. It's gonna be glorious. My kids aren't gonna know what to do with themselves riding around in the Bronco. All right, so looking at the frame, it definitely has some signs of some tomfoolery. So I'm gonna put it in the Bronco, see how it fits, and then clean it up. Oh, the holes line up. That actually looks nice. Let's roll. So we got the cushions, we've got the wood, kind of frame, and then the upholstery. I got all this from Toms Offroad. I'll put links in the description below. But all in all, it was about $500, just under $500 for all of this. I also got the hardware, which I highly recommend, that goes with the kit. And then I bought some new seat belts, and I'm actually going to put these up front where my old seat belts are up front, and then move my old seat belts to the back for the seat. So this is the little thingy that goes in the wood. And I naturally thought, yes, the bolt should come in this way. And then as I tighten said bolt, what happens? That. Instead, the proper way that John should have done this was put the bolt in this way. So then, as John tightens down, what happens? It tightens. I'm sorry that you've all had to put up with this. Now I have to redo it all. Now you know, if you ever wondered how that actually worked, now you know. You won't make the same mistake that I did. All right, so we did it. Back seat. There it is. What do you guys think? It is freezing, so we are not going for a drive. Usually I'd end this video with a cool drive down the countryside, but it's really cold, and we're in our bundled up and too cold to go for a drive today. But there you go, the back seat is in. When it warms up, we'll go for a ride.
Oh yeah.